We got the big long tee ready. We got these bitches ready, okay? Y'all stay tuned, man. What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. Listen, I started looking at my channel and I realized y'all ain't got no review of the Catless Challenger RT, man. Listen, I'm about to give y'all the POV. I sound inside and outside of how this Catless thing sound, man. You feel me? So if you're new to the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. I still gotta order the H pipes or the mid pipes for the long tube head connectors so they can be able to fit Black Mamba. So I ain't gonna keep this video too long on talking y'all on what I'm about to do. I just wanna go ahead and get to the video. It's hot as hell out here. And I got my beautiful lady over there. She about to get the POV from the outside for you guys. So y'all stay tuned and y'all rock with the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. Let's go. Yeah, we about to pull up to that spot. I'm about to do a flyby for y'all. Put that thing in sport right quick. Hey, let that bit warm up. I'm gonna try to get y'all a little bit of pop in fourth gear, but I gotta be guarded and going like a little bit of speed. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I ain't gonna keep this video too long. Downshift for y'all real quick. Got her goddamn about to go ahead and get the outside POV. I'm about to go ahead and pull out. All right, about to turn around. y'all, look, that was a good little bit of speed for y'all real quick. I'm gonna try to do a dig, a little pull real quick for y'all too. Listen, man, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. That's the POV that I've been supposed to give you guys. The outside in, you know, I'm gonna tweak the video. I tweak the video for you guys so you guys can enjoy that. Listen to how the Catless sound if you wanted Catless RT or whatever. So make sure you guys like the video. You know, give me your feedback on it, man. Let me know how it sound. Let me know if it's something y'all want to see me do. I would do probably like an outside, you know, drive-by or flyby of a 0 to 60, or, you know, just put something down in the comments to let me know what y'all want to see me do in the video. Now, I showed you guys the long tube headers that I have. I will be installing those soon. Like I said, I got the HP. I got to still order the HP pipes for them for the connectors for that long tube header. So make sure y'all stay tuned. So if y'all like to see that, make sure you guys stay tuned. It's got way more things that I want to do for the vehicle. So you know what I'm saying, it's not, I ain't even hit half. I want to get cam. I'm thinking about going, not thinking about, after I get the long tube headers, I'm going to HP tuners and getting this thing tuned. I may be getting a Burble tune, or I may be getting just a regular tune, you know, just a auto depender. I had to hit that right there. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide, man. I'm out. Yes, sir. The realest YouTube.